can you give, quote a few real life examples?
Okay, so fortunately we've been blessed with some very big clients even in Nagpur. So a big pipe and tank company, they before implementing Lighthouse ERP, so they have like around thousands of distributors and dealers. So before Lighthouse ERP, they would take orders manually. Like you can imagine, like there are hundreds and thousands of distributors, and one person is sitting in the back office and taking orders manually, and then the production planning is starting, and then the whole thing is made, and then you go for dispatch. After implementing Lighthouse ERP, the dealers and distributors, they can put orders directly in the system. So there is no delay. You're always aware of how many orders I have. So the production planning is already done, and dispatch is done at a much faster pace as compared to what it was done manually. So you save so much of time. I can almost say that the time they saved was almost 80% of what they used to spend earlier. Efficiency increases, profit has increased so much. So yes, it was almost revolutionary for the business.
Okay.
One more example, if I have to cite, it's a big wellness and Ayurvedic pharma company in Nagpur. So what happens in pharma companies is that they have a new product coming up every now and then, new formulation coming up, every 2 months, 3 months. So it becomes very difficult to manage the form because I'm sure people must be aware that pharma companies have very strict norms.
Right.
So to manage everything manually was just impossible for them. They switched to Lighthouse ERP. Now they can introduce new products every now and then without being worried that the formulations are changing or the final output is not up to the mark. And of course, it has done wonders for them.
And so where do you see 5 years down the line?
Me personally or the company?
Personally, your growth, the company's growth.
I think 5 years is too short a period to change now. I've done enough transitions, I think. So I think 5 years I'll be doing the same thing. Maybe I'll be more learned. Maybe I'll be doing marketing even more efficiently.